Was it informative?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the youngest person that touched the mic was 14. I've got one younger. Just want a couple of words. This is my 5-year-old son, Mr. Chase Coleman. Say a little something to the people, bud.
I would like to thank everyone for coming to the rally. And don't forget, it's not just what we say today, but it's what we do tomorrow.
No justice? No justice?